Ambulance services can be the difference between life and death. In a war zone, this rescue work becomes even more critical. But here, in Gaza, the lives of paramedics are also endangered. The targeting of medical facilities is considered a war crime. They have protected status under international humanitarian law. But medical staff say they have been repeatedly and deliberately hit.
Since the first day of the war, the Israelis have targeted our health system, the paramedics and the ambulances. Some of our staff have lost their lives, and many of our staff were detained while performing their duties and sent to Israeli prisons.
At least 310 health professionals have been arrested by the Israeli army during the war. Some have been subjected to torture and starvation. Fadi Afana is one of those who was detained. He says his rescue team was evacuating the injured from a hospital when they were stopped.
Our ambulances were intercepted, despite coordination with the Palestinian Red Crescent. They stripped us of our clothes, treated us in the most horrific way, beating us and arrested 2 of us, in addition to my brother Muhammad. After 3 hours, the Israelis released us and forced us to move towards South Gaza. This happens all the time.
The war was also proven deadly for those attempting to save lives. Nearly 500 health workers have been killed.
One of the medical workers to lose their lives was Hani Jafarawi, the director of ambulance and emergency. He was killed during a strike on al-Daraj clinic in Gaza City. Coordinating the transfer of injured people throughout Gaza, the health ministry described him as a solid model of steadfastness and determination.
Not only is the work dangerous, but paramedics say the intense demand and nature of the war means they are isolated from their families and often sleep at night in the ambulance headquarters. But despite the hardships and personal risks, some like Fadi Afana say they will continue working to save Palestinians under endless Israeli bombardment. Hind, Khoudary, Al Jazeera, Deir, el-Balah, Palestine.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.